today, just washed my 230 because I was bored. Dang, missed that. Towel. But today, not really doing much, nothing. Probably gonna change my, or clear my air filter. I can show you on my bicycle over here that I made into a death machine. Well, excuse you. Just burped. Nasty dog. But I'm gonna show y'all this bicycle over here that I paid $130 for, brand new. Well, it's not worth but $5 now. Let's just say that. But there you go. It has no chain or no brakes or nothing. Yeah, it's a death machine. Let's just say that. It is a death machine. It's pretty cool little mountain bike. It even has shocks on the front. Look at that. Shocks. You see, I took the front brakes off a while back. The back brakes, I just cut the cord so they don't work. A little customization there. Got two little brake lights. It had a little shifter thing. It did have like 7 little gears there, but took that off, and the chain would not fit back on there, so just let the chain off. So now, if I go down a steep hill or something, I can just bail off of it like I usually do. And I had to tighten these up. Handlebars kept coming loose. So I'm gonna change that, or clean the air filter on my 230 real quick. So y'all stay tuned for that. Okay guys, I got this side panel off right here. Most of the time this panel really ain't, the inside of it doesn't have much covering it, but as you can see, it just took a little wet towel there that I just used to wipe my dirt bike off. It was a little wet, so cleaned it up. Make sure you always try to clean it up a little bit. Just take a rag and like wipe it off, because you don't want the inside of it being dirty. Because, well, I'm not saying I'll ever sell this bike, but whenever you go to sell a bike, you want to make sure you clean everything. You want to make sure you keep a bike clean in case you sell it one day. So someone will say like, "You even ride this bike at all?" I mean, look, I keep this bike clean, well maintained. As you can tell, I'm about to clean the air filter, which you always clean your air filter no matter what, because it'll help with the throttle. Think something, I don't know. But I'm gonna take that other panel off and get the air filter out, so stay tuned. Okay guys, hold on, let me get the camera set up. Okay, so here's the air filter out of the 230. It's a little dirty, but I have something that will make this look brand new. It's called air filter cleaner. I don't know if anybody's heard of it. Well, they probably have. Yep, air filter cleaner. Now, I'm gonna show you guys the difference. This stuff makes a freaking difference. Let me just tell you. I had PJ1 air filter cleaner, but I ran out of it because I used it. And I still have that PJ1 air filter oil. But see, what you do when you're cleaning your air filter here, you always take it off the little thing. This thing. It should just pop out right there. But take it off of this, and usually you set this somewhere where you won't lose it. Now, this stuff right here, I'm not gonna show it on camera because, well, I don't know. But you spray on the air filter cleaner right here. You spray this on all over it. You wait a few minutes, you go spray it off with water, and you let it dry. Because you don't put it back in when the air filter is wet, because that will hurt the motor, I think. I'm not sure. But I'm gonna go clean this now, so just stay tuned. Okay guys, so now, explain all that to you. Now, I'm gonna hang this up right here. Make sure you just hang it on something, or you can spray it on the ground or something. It won't hurt it. Don't spray it in the dirt. You don't want to get dirt on your air filter. But just hang it right here. I'm gonna go ahead and spray it off. And a little time lapse coming up. Let me just move this chain off my bicycle. 230. Let's clean it up. Anybody want a chain or a bicycle? $5. But I'm gonna figure out where I'm gonna put the time lapse right here, so stay tuned. Okay, the time lapse, I tried to hold the camera while filming a time lapse for this, but it kind of didn't work, so. Got that sprayed on. I'm gonna put this up now. Don't need it, but now, I'm gonna let it dry on there. It looks a little funky. I'm gonna let it dry onto that. Just flip it around here. Ew. Okay. Oh, don't fall, okay. Smell that freaking air filter cleaner when I go back in the house. Oh, excuse me. We got that sprayed on. I'm gonna let it dry for a minute or so. Let me show you guys this bike. I was gonna duct tape some stuff together with this. Look at that. I was gonna duct tape the cord from the shifter to that, put the chain back on, but I just made that bike into a death machine. Hey, B-Dog. Hey, Pup. We're getting old. For everyone that wants to know, this is Sabo. Say, hey, Sabo. He's your good puppy. He's your good dog. Yeah, he's your good dog. He barks at the four-wheelers, don't you? You like to bark at the four-wheelers, don't you? And you like to eat a lot, too. Okay, I think that's probably dry. Wait. What does it say on the thing? For best results, wash off mud, Allow 45 to 60 seconds for cleaner to break up and distribute. Okay, so it's been almost 2 minutes now. So I'm gonna go up here and spray it off. You guys stay down here, okay? I'll be back. Okay, got the air filter cleaned. Look how clean it is. See how clean that is? That look clean? A little better than before? You wanna eat it? Of course you do. Yeah, you heard eat. You're like, what? Okay, so I need to find somewhere to dry this now. Need somewhere really sunny. I'll worry about it later. I'll just hang it somewhere. Roof. Ah, it's nice and sunny right here now. Okay. I'll need a towel. Yeah, it's junk. Okay, we got a towel there now. I mean, look how clean that is now. That stuff works. I don't know what is in there. I mean, heck, you start dries, you want to put this stuff on it. You always put the oil stuff on it. Always. Super tacky. Okay. I need a drink. It's good. Okay. So, yeah, I'm just gonna wait for that to dry now. So, catch you later. Just a second. Okay, guys, so it's about a few hours later. The air filter has finally dried on the 230. Finally. So now, I'm gonna put it right over there on that post, hang it up on that nail, and spray the oil stuff on it. And then I will put it back in the 230. So, yeah, it takes a while for this thing to get dry. I mean, look, it was in and out of the sun for a little bit because a bunch of clouds came over, so we're good now. And been riding the Recon a little bit. So, yeah, I'm gonna put this up here, get that other stuff. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay, so now I have the air filter oiled, got the old stuff on it. Let's put it back on that thing, and put the camera up there, and time lapse is about to start, so keep watching. All right, guys, we got it done. Washed my bike today, cleaned the air filter. Almost took all day though, cause it's about like, I don't know, like 3 o'clock. We got it done, got the air filter clean, got this back on. So I guess that's it for this video. More videos will be coming up soon. Probably gonna do some kind of video about me riding this bike, cause I'm probably gonna start doing more stuff to this bike to make it my own. I might get red plastics, all red, and if you don't like that, well, I don't care, because it's my bike. I like red on a Honda. Probably gonna get red plastics, some other red stuff. I'm gonna try to find these red. I'm pretty sure I found them before. Maybe some other little stuff here and there, but that's probably it. And I'm definitely gonna get new tires soon, because this back tire is pretty wore out now. But it's the end of the video. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share, all that good stuff. Check out my cousin's channel, Jake Dirt Bikes number 7, and something, I don't know. I need a catchphrase at the end of my videos. Make sure you just always ride dirt bikes, okay? Just ride any kind of good dirt bike, right? So, thanks for watching. Catch you guys later. Stay safe, and all that stuff. Goodbye.